like to say thank you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I really do appreciate you guys for your support, for your love, and you know, but I just have something to tell you guys, and it's a celebration, of course, from our journey. And of course, also, I'd like to say thank you also to my beautiful groups. And one of them are, they are just amazing. First of all, our Powerpuff Girls. Powerpuff Girls! Yes! And this is my beautiful CC Mirna Digital USA. Of course, our beautiful CC Connie Lifestyle UK. And then, of course, my special, and everybody, the Powerpuff Girls are very special, like myself. And of course, also, I would like to say thank you also to CC Lady M Sullivan USA. And guys, of course, Burns Del Rey from California. And I would like to say thank you also to our beautiful friend in Japan, Katripper Official. And guys, of course, my lovely and amazing supporters that are continuously giving me the chance to, to show you what I can when it comes to craziness, cooking and eating. And I'd like to announce, guys, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. When I got this, it was just amazing. It's an amazing feeling that you guys have welcome you in your community, welcome me to your home, and and you're already part of my life. You are part of my family, and I'm just so grateful for that. But without any further ado, but anyways, so I'm just so dramatic today, so emotional and everything. But guys, this is it. Thank you so much, guys, once again, to our supporters around the world. Of course, my family in the Philippines, I'd like to say thank you. And this is for Mama. This is for Mommy Eden. Mommy, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Makes me emotional now because I miss you, Mommy. And I miss my family back home. But anyway, before I will get too emotional now. But yeah, this is just amazing. But this is it, guys. Here, this is one of the achievements that I got for doing YouTube. And I really so grateful. I'm so grateful, I'm so thankful, and I really do appreciate you guys. Without you guys, I won't get this. No, I won't. Like I said, from our friends in Japan, in UK, here in United States, around the world, of course, our lovely folks in Kuwait and Middle East, our Filipino communities, and of course, like I said, my family. Ate Emily, thank you so much, because you know what, every time I need something, you know, like when I have some games or whatever, Ate Emily is my go-to. And thank you so much, Ate. Thank you so much, and thank you to my family back home. And this is it, guys. This is for you. And I hope that this is just the beginning of our beautiful journey. You know, this is just the beginning of our milestone to better our channel. You know, and you can suggest any mukbang, any cooking, you know, that you want me to do. And it's appreciated if you do suggest anything, you know, to, of course, you know, to make you happy. Because if you're happy, guys, my supporters, your Answer Up Kitchen will be most joyful, if you know. So I'm so grateful, guys. So but once again, I'd like to say thank you, Powerpuff Girls, Burns Del Rey, Katripper Official, and of course, like I said, everybody. And of course, my special, you know, mention is my beautiful Baba. Thank you so much, baby, for always there to support me every time I have plans and dreams that I want to do, and you're always there. Thank you, Baba, and I love you so much. Love you, baby. Thank you so much, because he is my cameraman, he is my editor, he is my director, and he pretty much does everything from editing, lighting, and everything. So I am just a little talent. But once again, thank you, Baba. Love you. Thank you so much. Thank you. And thank you, guys. Thank you once again. Now look at me. Get emotional, but thank you, guys. I never thought I would get this Google AdSense, but I appreciate you guys, and I'm gonna see you later. Bye. Thank you, guys. God bless you all, and I love you all. Mwah. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you will be updated in every video that I'm going to upload. And once again, see you later. Bye. Thank you, guys.